Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video just to walk you through how to use the group pages now that we're starting our second writing project and you're going to be working in groups to move forward. So first things first, there is a new group pages tab here on our left-hand menu. So if you click there, what you should see is only one of these groups. If I go into the student preview, I don't think it shows the groups. So anyway, whichever group you're in should pop up here. When you open your group page, you'll see that there's a group description, your members listed, and then some tools underneath that I think are really helpful. There's a file exchange, so if you want to send drafts back and forth, you can do that via this area. Just click Add File, and then you can attach a file. You can also use the Group Tasks menu. This is really just to kind of help your group kind of keep on with the sort of nitty gritty of putting your assignments together. So say you wanted to put in one for the group blog, and then you have that, you can set a due date, you can kind of set a priority. This is really just a way for y'all to create a to-do list if that's something you'd like to do. And then the last thing that these group pages has is a email feature. So if you click that send email, you can select all of the members of your group, move those over, type a subject, and then type your message here. Just be aware that that sends to your SWIC email. So if anyone responds to you, it's not going to come to Blackboard, it's going to come to your email. So check your email, check your email, check your email. You'll also see underneath group assignments, this is where any of the fully group submissions will happen. So there's also a link to this in our week 11 folder. So you click here on where it says writing project number 2, the research proposal. This will bring you to that assignment. It looks like my computer is going a little slow, so we will let it load. All right, here we go. So this looks very normal, but the difference between a regular assignment and a group one is that only one of you need to submit the assignment. All right, so pay attention to who is submitting what and when. So group pages are a great resource. I did also create a channel for you all in Microsoft Teams. So let me pull up Teams and I'll show you where that is at. All right, so another tool you have available to you is Microsoft Teams. We use this at the beginning of the semester when you introduced yourselves via Teams. So I have created a group chat for each group. You should only see one chat. They are private to just your group. And this is also a place where you can kind of chat. You can get the app on your phone. You can also exchange numbers if you guys prefer to text. Really, it's honestly just whatever works for you and your group. So I just wanted to run you guys through those tools for your group work and remind you that you are required to meet once a week with your group in order to work on the assignments that you have. This week, it's really important that you get in touch sooner rather than later so you can decide the social issue you're focusing on and who's going to be doing what role. So best of luck, and if you would like me to come to one of your meetings, I'm totally fine doing that. Just make sure that you let me know when it is, and if I can be there, I will.